Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to make your TikTok account private. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. TikTok lets you make your account private at any time, if you want to prevent strangers from seeing your content. Watch this full video to learn how to do this. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now go to your profile, by tapping on Me, at the bottom right corner. Then tap the three dots, from the top right corner. Now go to Privacy. Now find Private Account. Simply toggle the slider to the right, to make your TikTok account private. That's it. The account is now private. From now on, everyone that is already following you will still follow you, but new users who want to see your posts will have to make a request, at which point you can either approve or decline. So in this simple way, you can make your TikTok account private. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.